Hala, may naghuba dito.
Oh no!
Ano, nating tignan.
What does that mean? I go, what? Bam! Right in the face.
She go like this. Ah! Roxy do like that.
Good morning, Philippines!
Morning po sa inyong lahat. Diyan. Nag-ano lang ako ba? Dadalhin ko ba itong wallet ko? Hindi na ako magdala ng wallet para camera na lang. At saka cellphone. Yung madilim ang kahapon. Laki ng tiyan ko. Good morning today. What is today? Thursday, right? Oh, you don't use that bread. That bread you got. That one. What is it? Ah, it's a sandwich already? Is there something inside already? What kind?
This one is chicken broth.
It seems like it's nothing inside, huh?
Okay.
Anyway guys, alis kami.
Half you, half me.
Kakain lang daw kami. Wait, yes Han, tama. You're right. I have to eat something. Look, it's 11. I will be bitching later. I never...
If later means 3 minutes after we get in the car, yeah, you will.
There's nothing always nice to see about me, huh?
Hun?
Nothing. 3 minutes. You're over-exaggerate, Han.
I don't know about that.
3 minutes. Yung buhok ko, sobrang dry. Ay, blow dry kasi. So, yun. Yun ang resulta, guys, kapag nagbo-blow dry kayo ng hair. Tayo. Andito pa rin ako sa bahay ni Bianan, guys. Wala tayo sa... I'm not sa bahay. I'm not in my house. So, I'm here. So, if you notice, guys, my voice is still... My voice is not helping. Oh, I told you from... Because look, mom also have a check here. Hala, this is last year. She doesn't deposit it. Anyway, so yun guys, and Tommy is making sandwich for my mother-in-law for lunch para naman masaya siya. Kasi she likes sandwich. My mother-in-law loves sandwich. Same thing with Tommy. Han, how can you help your coughing, Han? I have tea this morning. Why is still not helping?
Syrup, cough drop. You got honey in your tea?
I did. I think there is really something. I don't know when this is gonna end, guys, because it won't stop. Hopefully this is good. Thanks, Han.
I'm gonna try.
Are you sure this is mine? Hala, it's really hot, Tommy.
Hon, I just took it out. I'm eating it.
Tommy have to go to CVS because they want mom stuff. She's looking.
What's about walk in the kitchen when I watch that?
Oh, what?
I'm gonna walk in the kitchen when I watch it.
She follow you. And she doesn't even care. She's looking.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
You're crazy. Bye bye, night night. Oh. You go night night over there, ha? Relax. Ang ganda ng bulaklak dun, oh. Oo. Kita niyo. Ang ganda. Meron kami dyan sa bahay, pero hindi ganun kaganon. Hindi ganun kaganon. Hindi ganun kaganda. Yun. And si Tommy, pinapakain lang niya yung mga halaman. Pinapakain lang niya yung mga mga ibon. Yun. I think it's going to rain tonight. Ang ganda ng mga kahoy, guys. O, tingnan nyo, guys. Dyan kayo sa taas titingin. Diba? Kahit nasa ano na, malapit na, sobrang malapit sa city. Ang dami pa rin kahoy. And this is a good thing about this area. Even it's close to the city, there's still a lot of trees. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
In other country, you know that if you're in the city closer, the tree is gone. It's all buildings and everything, flowers, but there's no tree like this big thing. This is a good thing about New York. Even in Manhattan, you can see trees, right?
Yeah, well, they made it.
Huh?
They made it a goal to do that. They're killing all of nature.
Yeah.
It's not healthy for anybody.
I have a house. I don't like trees that it's closer. It's against to my house. Do you remember that? Every time when we're looking at a house, I said, oh, this tree.
Because you're afraid of a falling house.
Because I see a lot, hon, in this. Every time there's a storm. In this neighborhood, there's a lot of... God bless you. God bless you. In this neighborhood, guys, every time there is a storm, always have a house get broken because of the tree. The light is gone. The house, half of the house is broken. Because, did you see the tree is so big? And Tammy's mom's, this house over here, have a very big tree. Like the oldest tree, right? They cut it because if they don't cut it after a few months or few years from that, 1 year later.
Cut it because it was also being eaten.
I know it's a hole inside.
And we tried to fix it, but they
and then
a lot of money and did nothing to help.
Yeah, and then I think 1 year after that, guys, cutting the tree, storm, and a lot of trees down.
Yeah, that tree would definitely come down.
Yeah, come down and kill us because our bedroom here, it's really close to the tree. That was a really big tree, as in huge. That's
really big tree.
Yeah, the one that where Tammy put. You know, did you see that Tammy put the bird food, right? That's the tree. That's where the tree is. So big. Okay, let's go. We're gonna go see this first.
Yeah, Trader Joe's first. They're both in that street. Trader Joe's a little further up.
Yeah, you said you're gonna buy me a wire out. Hub.
Chocolate? Chocolate?
You
want the chocolate?
Hub, eh?
You want a hub? You already have a hub. He's sitting home waiting for you. Yeah.
That's my little boy hungry now.
Your little man.
He's hungry now, hon.
Yes.
Looking for fresh food.
You leave him all the time. All the time you leave him.
Well, next week, hopefully. You're off Monday, Tuesday. So you're gonna be with mom. Hopefully they let mom out Thursday that you're here. Is Andrea's gonna come down then if that's the case, right?
On the day she gets out. It depends if she's not working. She anticipates that I'll pick her up and take her.
So, but...
Because she'll be working.
Yeah, but if you are working till Friday...
Well, if I'm working also, then it's a problem. Then you have to work somewhere.
2 hours later.
Nakakairita naman tong si Tammy, eh. Nakakairita talaga. Doon kami sa Trader Joe's, guys. Daming biniling chocolate. I mean, I know, ibigay man niya yun sa ano. Yung mga candies, more chocolate. Ibigay niya sa mga nurses. And then sa therapy, sa therapy section, and then sa other therapy section. Hala, may naghuba dito.
Oh no!
Ano, huwag nating tignan. Kaloka naman to. And, so yun guys, na naghuba dito na lalaki. And ang nangyayari, wala, hindi ako tumingin. Kaloka naman tong buhay na to, eh. Ay, baliw itong siya. Parang walang ano, yung mga baliw ba. Ang dami niyang binili. Ang nakaproblema kasi kay Tammy, kapag bumili na niya mga pagkain, parang siya yung naglalaway. Siya yung gustong kumain lahat. So, kinukuha. Ang daming kinukuha niya. Hindi na ako kumikyubo. Hindi na ako sumama. Umalis na ako sa tabi niya kasi nakakairita. I know, magbigay ka, pero wag mong kunin lahat individually, different flavor, everything.
Yeah.
So, if you don't know that you giving it today, Alan, keep doing. She's not watching you, and then you keep going.
I know, she's not even looking. She keeps looking this way. I'm gonna go, who's she sitting on that way?
Hala.
Huh?
You're gonna hit that post.
Han.
Hala. Han.
What does that mean?
Han, it's a Filipino.
It's a Filipino what? Is that what it means? Oh, look, Filipino.
Crazy. You're not nice to me. You're not nice to my dialect. To my expression.
You're making noises.
That's a dialect. Hala 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 hala.
I'm supposed to understand that that means, oh, watch where you're going. I don't think that means watch where you're going, huh?
I don't have to say it. I just said hala hala. That means it tells you something that there's something wrong.
It could be a tree falling on the car.
Then when I said hala hala, that means you have to look. It's not my problem what's the what.
I like when you see something coming to your face and say, I can say duck or I can say hala la la la, and let's see if you get hit in the face.
Then I will be like, what's going on? So I will be alert. I like that.
Somebody says duck, you duck. Somebody says la la la, you go, what? Bam, right in the face.
Even Roxy, guys, every time I said hala, Roxy, la wait, Jeep. Hala hala.
You have to be in the middle of the road.
That's what people do, hon. So yeah, it's 1 o'clock. We moved because Tommy had to move his car because he was parking for like how many minutes? Hour and a half parking only. So we have to get out and grab some lunch, and you know what?
That's exactly my point.
Something wrong with you. And at least I said how many hala hala, and I point something. What's going on? You just said hala hala for no reason, and that's freaked me out. Hala, the guy is on the top, hala.
Yeah, hala, he's gonna drop a tree branch on you. Hala.
Hala guys, hala, guys, hala.
They're pruning trees.
Are they pruning?
Seem like it.
Look, hala, slow down, and that I can see. Slow down because this guy is slowing down. Now look, hala.
They're clearing the passageway for electrical lines.
Hala.
See the trees down here? They're grinding them up.
Hala.
Down the branches, they grind them up.
Yeah, hala. I know, guys, I'm annoying. Roxy, even Roxy knows what hala means.
It's bread.
Huh? Roxy knows what hala. She go like this. Roxy do like that. She know that there's something wrong, okay?
Because you're always making noises like really loud. She's worried.
Oh, you?
You're always trying to freak her out.
Me?
You.
And Roxy, I think Roxy have a problem, man. I think she have that mentality problem. What?
You don't have no mental problem.
She doesn't have mental problem.
Yeah, the mother who freaks her out all the time because she thinks it's funny.
Yes, she has a mother that freaks her out all the time. Who the f is that mother?
Funny to her.
Who is that mother? There's no signal, you? Ay, nako.
That's a short guy.
Huh?
He's a short guy.
Han, your wife, Han, is short, okay?
He's shorter than you, hon.
He is shorter than me?
Yeah.
Whoa. Alaka. I'm so happy. I'm happy, Han. Han, I'm happy.
Yeah.
I'm happy that somebody is shorter than me. You think so?
It is.
Huh?
Yeah.
Give me a smile.
Yeah, he's right there.
Give me a smile. And he's looking at me, and when I look at him, he looks at me when I look at him. What the heck, man? You think he's that will tell you something. I have to turn that way just to look at him. He knows that we're talking about him.
If you're going to Asia store, which way do you go?
The same place.
Okay, so then we'll go to Lodge. Savoir faire is everywhere. You don't know that because